Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Today is September 17, 2019, and in 3 days, 3 short or 3 agonizing days, depending on how excited you are, the new iPhone 11 and 11 Pro will be available. If you're watching this video before then great, because this is a super special early look. Because today we have the new 2019 iPhones, sealed and in their retail boxes. The iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and the 11 Pro Max. And of course, we're going to unbox them for you, tell you what's different in all 3 models. And now, because we have the actual retail units, we can also take a closer look at all of the new features. So fasten your seatbelts as we introduce the new 2019 iPhones, GadgetMatch style. Before we dive into these boxes, a little word on naming. It's much simpler this year. iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and the bigger model, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Apple's gotten rid of the Roman numerals, so there's no more calling it the iPhone X, or in this case, the iPhone XI. The iPhone 11 replaces the iPhone XR, the 11 Pro, the XS, and the 11 Pro Max, the XS Max. What's in the name? A lot, actually. This is actually Apple telling us that the more affordable iPhone 11 is the flagship model, the model for most users. And if you're a Pro user, maybe like me, then you can get the iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, let's do this in order. Let's start with the iPhone 11. You can already see what color we have here, purple. The text also matches the color of the phone. As always, Apple has thought about even the most mundane of details, like peeling off this plastic wrap. Just look for this green tab and pull, et voila! Ooh, lift here to get the iPhone 11 out, and set it aside for later. Next up, pack it with instructions, SIM ejector tool, and stickers. 5-watt charging brick, wired lightning earbuds, and USB-A to Lightning cable. We'll unwrap the iPhone 11 later. First, let's open up these other boxes because I'm pretty sure you get something different. The iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max come in black boxes instead of the usual white. And to keep this video exciting, we have 2 different colors. Just like on the 11, you can see the colors of the phone just from the image on the box, as well as the fonts. iPhone 11 Pro, documentation and stickers. Aha, looky here. For the first time ever, Apple is bundling a fast charger in the box with these Pro models. Previously, you'd only get a 5-watt charger. Now you get an 18-watt charger and a USB-C to Lightning cable. You used to have to buy these separately for $29 and $19 respectively. Now it comes in the box. And last but not the least, the 11 Pro Max, the largest of the trio. Okay, enough playing with your emotions. It's time for the grand reveal. I'm so happy our iPhone 11 is purple. I think it's the prettiest of all the new color options. It looks so fresh. The iPhone 11 comes with a glossy back, but the camera module is matte. Green is another new shade. We've seen a version of yellow before. There's also white, black, and product red. And now the 11 Pro and Pro Max. As promised, I have 2 new shades here. And our 11 Pro Max is midnight green. I was secretly hoping for blue, but this is really gorgeous too. All of last year's colors are still around: black, silver, which is white, and gold. What color do you like best? I'm really curious. You can click over here to join our poll. All iPhone 11 Pros have a matte finish with a glossy camera module, very different from the glossy finish on last year's models. Another pro of the matte finish is that it doesn't pick up fingerprint smudges. Apple says the glass back on these new iPhones are carved from a solid block of glass, and promise that they're stronger and more durable than ever. A few other cosmetic changes: the Apple logo is now centered in the middle of the phone, and the iPhone branding is gone as well. But don't ask me to prove it with a drop test. I'm sure someone else will. The new iPhones are the same size and shape as last year's models: 5.8, 6.1, and 6.5 inches. button and port placements are also the same. So yeah, the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro have Lightning ports still, which is a bit of a bummer. I was hoping to see USB-C finally make its way to the iPhone. I guess 2019 won't be the year for that. The cameras on both models protrude quite a bit and will wobble when set down on a table. That can be corrected with a case. Speaking of, the clear cases are now available for all models, so you can show off these lovely colors. If you're torn between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro, don't worry, that's a question that we want to answer, and we will answer in our review video dropping next week. Stay tuned also for our Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing and comparison video that's dropping tomorrow, and of course our review video dropping next week. That's just the Apple videos. There are other phone launches coming up. We have the OnePlus 7T, the Google Pixel 4, the Huawei Mate 30. All of those videos are coming very soon, so to make sure you don't miss any of them, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.